Okay, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. It is Thursday, April 9th, 2020, and I mean, this is incredible what we are seeing here. We just got a jobs number way worse than expected. And guess what? Stock futures go from being negative prior to the release of this number towards a huge gain. I mean, this is incredible. Prior to the number being released, Dow futures were down about 150 points. Right after this number was released, Dow futures are now pointing towards an over 300 point gain for the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Job losses way surpassed the predicted number. They were predicting about 5.5 million people lost their jobs last week. Well, it came in 6.6 million, over 6.6 million, missed the mark by over 1.1 million, and stock futures just rocket higher. You can't make it up. It's impossible to make this stuff up, but this is the fake market. I explained to you yesterday how this would play out, and it's exactly what happened. If this number were 20 million, stocks would be even higher right now. We are in a full-on economic deep freeze. It's a collapse on an incredible scale. Everything has stopped. People are losing their jobs in the tens of millions around the world, and the stock market continues higher. Why? The Federal Reserve, the World Central Bank, is providing millions upon millions upon millions of dollars, not just to Wall Street, but to the world. This is a takeover on an unprecedented scale, and most people, except you, are sitting back and doing nothing. They're sucking their thumbs. They're letting this happen as this new world order machine takes over here. It's incredible. It's absolutely incredible. Human suffering on literally an unprecedented scale at this point here. We've never seen jobs losses this rapid occur. Not even during the Great Depression meltdown did we lose this many jobs this fast, and the stock market is going up. That should put a perspective on this for you. A complete economic collapse, a meltdown, an economic deep freeze, and stocks are going higher in the face of human suffering. It's incredible. It's an incredible thing. All right, anyway, gold and silver catching a nice bid here on the back of this. You got cryptocurrencies down slightly. Crude oil is being bid higher. 10-year yield isn't doing too much of anything. People, I want you to pay attention to what's going on here. Really think about it. Prior to the market getting this number today, we were in the negative across the board, triple digits with regarding to the Dow Jones Industrial Average. We get this number way worse than expected. And let me give you a live update here. Let me give you a live update. Stock futures are pointing to a nearly 400 point gain right now at the open, which is in about 15 minutes. Unbelievable. You can't make this stuff up if you tried. And it's the Fed. The Fed is supplying Wall Street with trillions of dollars. The Fed is supplying the world with trillions, unlimited, according to Steve Mnuchin. I also want you to understand this. It was talked about on Bloomberg this morning. I don't know if you caught it, but the Fed will be bailing out bankrupt states here in the new America. This is the plan, to be the lender and buyer of last resort, to own it all, to own the entire world. The new America is some kind of a disease right now that is spreading around the world. And the hub, again, the new America, with its core being the World Central Bank, we're all in a lot of trouble. We're all in a lot of trouble. But that does not mean, quite obviously, stocks are not going higher in this twisted, upside-down environment. This guy right here loves you a lot. Please share the video. Get it out there. I'll see you at the end of the day.